Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can find and view all your downloaded music or songs on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's swipe up to go back to the home screen. Now there are two different ways how you can find all your downloaded music. The first way is to open up the music app. Then at the bottom here, tap on Library. In your library, you want to go down and tap on Downloaded, then tap on Songs. In here, you'll be able to find all your songs that you have downloaded to your device. You can browse by albums as well. And that's it. So that is one of the ways. The next method is through settings. So from your home screen, open up settings. In settings, you want to scroll down and tap on Music. Next, in here, there should be a section for music. If you don't see a section where it shows download music, maybe we need to turn off library, show all purchases, and then tap on that again. Once you turn on show all purchases, it should show a downloads section. In here, tap on downloaded music, and then tap on in here, it shows all songs, and from here you can see it is grouped by artist. And here I've got Crimson Fly song, you got unknown artists, and those are the songs in the unknown album. So this is another way how you can view all your downloaded music. And that's it. So once your device storage has run out of space, perhaps you can go in here and go through the list and see if there are songs or old music that you don't listen anymore. You can go through it and then delete it. So here you can tap on the edit button and then tap on the remove button to remove downloaded music. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.